Imagine biting into a creamy, velvety ice cream bar that instantly melts away the summer heat. It's sweet, refreshing, and undeniably satisfying. But have you ever stopped to wonder how this frozen perfection is made? Today, we're heading inside Lavalley, a 70-year-old ice cream factory in South Korea, to see exactly how modern technology helps create these frozen treats. Let's take a closer look. First, workers carefully add fresh milk, cream, sugar, fats, and some essential additives into a large-capacity industrial mixer. This powerful machine gently but thoroughly blends all these ingredients together, continuously stirring until the mixture becomes completely smooth and uniform. It's this precise mixing step that ensures every scoop of ice cream comes out perfectly creamy and consistent. Next, the perfectly blended ice cream mixture moves to the automatic filling machines, carefully pouring into molds with impressive precision. These modern machines handle thousands of ice cream bars every hour, each mold filled exactly to the right level. Workers then load wooden sticks into the equipment, and from here, the machinery takes over again, precisely inserting a stick into each ice cream bar automatically. Thanks to this advanced technology, every single ice cream bar is flawlessly shaped, uniform, and ready for the next stage. Once the sticks are in place, the molds filled with the creamy mixture are transferred into a freezing machine. Here, the bars are rapidly frozen and take on their final shape. Once the bars are completely solid, an automated system gently releases them from the molds without damaging their form. From there, they travel along a conveyor belt into an advanced packaging station. Here, each bar is individually wrapped by high-speed machines that ensure hygiene, precision, and consistency, without the need for human contact. After packaging, workers step in to carefully pack the ice cream bars into cartons, which are then placed in cold storage to keep them fresh. From this point on, they're ready to be delivered to supermarkets, convenience stores, and eventually, your freezer at home. A cool treat, crafted with care from start to finish. Not all ice cream is made on a stick. Some of the most indulgent flavors are enjoyed straight from the cup. And for chocolate lovers, this version is a real treat. After going through the same careful mixing and pasteurization process, the pure chocolate ice cream is transferred to a different production line, specifically designed to fill cups. A large automated dispenser stirs the ice cream mixture directly into each plastic cup with incredible precision. Each cup receives just the right amount. No spillage, no mess, just a smooth, silky swirl of chocolate that looks as good as it tastes. Depending on the product, some cups are topped with additional ingredients like a layer of melted chocolate, crunchy cookie crumbs, or even chopped nuts for added flavor and texture. Once filled, the cups are sent down the line to a sealing station, where an automated capping machine securely fastens the lid to each cup. This airtight seal preserves freshness and prevents contamination, ensuring a perfect product from the factory to your freezer. The sealed cups are then quality checked, ensuring every cup meets strict standards for weight, shape, and appearance. Finally, the cups are collected, packed into individual trays by workers, and transferred to temperature-controlled storage rooms, where they remain frozen and stable until shipping. Whether it's a classic chocolate swirl or a luxurious cream-filled version, each Lavalley cup is the result of modern automation combined with decades of expertise, crafted for the perfect moment when you open the lid and take that first spoonful of chocolate ice cream. And here comes the ultimate summer treat: watermelon ice cream cups layered with colorful, flavorful layers. This dessert is not only delicious, but also beautiful, and it all starts from the bottom. The first part of the process begins with a separate batch of light green ice cream, specially blended to mimic the refreshing taste of watermelon rind. This green mixture is poured precisely into the bottom of each cup, creating a cool, creamy base. Once frozen, the second layer is ready, and this is where the real magic begins. The vibrant combination of pineapple and strawberry creates a naturally sweet and fruity layer. To make the treat even more appealing, Small pieces of chocolate that look like watermelon seeds are added to the mixture. Stir the mixture until the fruit and chocolate flavors are evenly distributed. Then gently pour it over the green layer, creating a striking two-tone look inside the cup. But the final step? A few fresh watermelon jelly cubes are placed right on top. This adds texture while also providing a burst of fruity flavor to complete the experience. Once the jelly has set, each cup is sealed, then placed on a tray for final packaging. From the color to the flavor to the texture, this watermelon ice cream is a layered dessert that turns every spoonful into a mini adventure. Among the many ice cream varieties, this one is a true classic, chocolate almond bar. The process starts like most others. A creamy blend of fresh milk, cream, sugar, and selected ingredients is mixed to create a smooth chocolate base. This rich mixture is then poured into molds automatically, with workers placing wooden sticks into the machine, allowing it to insert each stick with perfect accuracy. Once filled, the molds move into a freezing chamber where the bars solidify, locking in their shape and creamy texture. But what sets this ice cream apart is what comes next, its signature crunchy chocolate coating. In a separate station, melted chocolate is combined with crushed almonds, stirred carefully to ensure an even texture. Each frozen ice cream bar is then dipped into this warm chocolate almond mixture, coating it with a thick, glossy layer full of crunch and flavor. Right after dipping, the bars pass through a rapid cooling system to harden the chocolate shell instantly, so it won't melt or lose its shine. Finally, the bars are neatly wrapped by automated packaging machines, then boxed and stored in cold rooms, ready to make their way to supermarkets and convenience stores. From the smooth center to the crunchy shell, every chocolate almond bar is made with precision, delivering that satisfying crack in every bite.